Hello, in front of me I've got Edifier TWS1 Pro 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone. And now here is the left touch panel and here is the right touch panel. Tap twice on left touch panel to enable or disable noise cancellation. Tap 3 times to enable or disable game mode. Tap twice on the right touch panel to play pause music. Tap 3 times to select next song. Tap twice on either earbud to answer and end the calls. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.